Hola, estudiantes. Today we are going to use the verb ser. We're going to use subject pronouns with ser. Please remember and learn that ser is a verb that means to be. For your subject pronouns, remember these. We have yo, which is I. Tu, you. Remember that tu is familiar with someone that is a friend of yours or that you are familiar with. Usted is you, formal, someone that's an adult or needs respect. Él is he. Ella is she. Nosotros is we, and that can include at least one boy. Nosotras is we, and that includes all girls. Vosotros is you all, that's at least one boy. Vosotras is you all, that's all girls, and this is mostly used in Spain. Ustedes is you all, formal. Ellos, they, at least one boy, and they, ellas, all girls. To form sentences in Spanish, you start with a subject pronoun or noun. Add the verb. Add adjectives, nouns, and prepositional phrases. For example, you have your subject and your verb plus your adjective and your nouns. Yo soy de Durham. Soy is a form of the verb ser. Slow down. What does this all mean? A verb is a word that shows action or links ideas together in one sentence. Conjugate is to make a verb agree with the subject of the sentence. For example, I am, you are, he or she is. Infinitive is the unconjugated form of the verb. In English, to plus a verb, example to be, to run, to sing. In Spanish, all unconjugated verbs end with AR, ER, or IR. Ser is a linking verb that means to be. To use ser in a sentence, you must conjugate it to match the subject, noun, or pronoun. For example, you shouldn't say, I be from Durham. You should say, I am from Durham. We be the students. No, we are the students. The teacher be short. No, the teacher is short. That's what conjugating is all about. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Usted es, you are. Formal. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Nosotros somos, we are. Vosotros o vosotras sois, y'all are. Ustedes son, you all are. Ellos son, they are. Y ellas son, they are. Please note that ser is an ER verb, but it has an irregular conjugation. Also in English, we have 3 forms of this verb. Am, is, are, but in Spanish, there are 6. Soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. So how do we know which form of ser to use? Look at the subject of your sentence. If it is one of the pronouns from the chart, then use that form of ser. Por ejemplo, look at nosotros. Nosotros blank de España. Since nosotros is on the chart, use the form somos. Nosotros somos de España. We are from Spain. If the subject is a noun such as Paco, change the noun to a pronoun to match the correct form of ser. Paco is the same thing as saying él. So look for él on the chart and use that form. Paco es mi amigo. Paco is my friend. When should I use the verb ser? Ser is used in the following situations. Origin, soy de Durham. Descriptions and characteristics, soy baja, I am short. Possession, es mi libro. Time and date, son las 8, es el 7 de mayo. Identification, Rosa es mi amiga, es una pluma. Rosa is my friend, it is a pen. Professions, la señorita Farlo es una maestra. Señorita Farlo is a teacher. And nationality, Pablo is Mexican. Let me go back to this one to make sure I said what those mean. Possession, es mi libro, it is my book. And for time and date, it is 8. It is the 7th of May. Look at my examples. Yo soy de Cuba. I am from Cuba. Tú eres un muchacho. You are a boy. Anita es muy bonita. Anita is very pretty. Nosotros somos estudiantes. We are students. Remember that vosotros is mostly used in Spain. Vosotras sois maestros de español. You all are Spanish teachers. Luis y Juan son colombianos. Luis and Juan are Colombians. For this exercise, I want you to write the correct form of ser. So go ahead and take about 1 minute, number on your paper or from 1 to 5. If you think you can do it in your head, that's great. I'm going to read the sentences and then I'm going to show you what form of ser you should have used. For número 1, yo blank de los Estados Unidos. Número 2, Miguel y Juan blank hermanos. Número 3, nosotros blank estudiosos. Número 4, vosotros blank de Costa Rica. Y número 5, Rafael blank muy atlético. Let's see what you have, okay? You should have put, yo soy de los Estados Unidos. I am from the United States. Miguel y Juan son hermanos. Miguel and Juan are brothers. Nosotros somos estudiosos. We are studious. Vosotros sois de Costa Rica. Y'all or you all are from Costa Rica. And Rafael es muy atlético. Rafael is very athletic. Let's do another sample. This is 6 through 10. Please write the correct form of ser. Remember, práctica makes perfect. Número 6, Ana blank, una estudiante buena. 7, ustedes blank de Colombia. Tú y yo blank somos amigos. Tus amigos blank simpáticas y ella blank del El Salvador. Let's look at these together. For número 1, you should have said, Ana es una estudiante buena. The reason why you say es is because Ana is like saying ella, which is she. Ustedes son de Colombia. The form of ser that you use with ustedes is son. Tú y yo, you and I. That's a tricky one. You and I, whenever you include yourself, you're talking about something that we are doing. Tú y yo somos amigos buenos. You and I, we are good friends. Tus amigos son simpáticas. Your friends are nice. And ella es de El Salvador. She is from El Salvador. Wait, what about not to be? To make a sentence negative in Spanish, just put no in front of the verb. For example, I am not tall. Yo no soy alta. Soy is the verb, so we put the no in front of it. No soy, I am not. The girl is not from Peru. La muchacha no es de Peru. Es is the verb, so we put the no in front of it. Ser o no es ser. To be or not to be. Esa es la pregunta. That is the question. Adiós, estudiantes.